Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this SQL problem. It's called combine two tables. We have two tables. One table that names person and another one named address. The person has person ID, last name, first name. The address has address ID, person ID, city, and state. We wanna write a SQL query to report the first name, the last name, the city, and the state of each person in the person table. If the address of the person table is not present in the address table, report null instead. Okay, so let's just when we create a SQL query, it's a pretty easy to create a SQL query, but let's just put everything step by step. So what we are caring about, how many columns we care about. So first of all, we said that we have the first name and last name. So we have first name and last name. And last name. And write SQL query city person. And we had should be first name and last name and the city and the state. Yeah, city and the state. Okay. So right now we know what the columns that we want to have. So this is the first we know columns. The column. Okay. Second, what are the tables that we work with? We have two tables, the address and person, and the person, it's the primary one, and we want to make a query to get the person's address, and if you didn't find anything, we just return null. The address will be null. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. So it will be select first name and last name and city and state from person, and also from address, but just it's important to make sure that the person is a primary. So left join and also address. So the left join make sure that the left join keyword indicates that all records from person table should be included in the result, regardless of whether they have matching records of the address table or not. So we if we didn't find anything, we just return if we didn't find an address, however, we return in the table, return a row that have this person, and the address will be null. And I will say on person the person ID equals to address the person ID, and I guess that's it. And just put the famous first name is not a field. What? Sorry, it's first name, last name, and the city. Yeah, all of them small. Yeah, okay, it worked. So I will just make a quick recap of what we are doing. So first of all, the select statement specifies the columns to retrieve from the results of the join. Okay, so in this case, we select the column first name, last name, and the city and the state, and the form specifies the primary tables that we work with, and the left join, it's important, this one. The left join keyword indicates that all records from person table should be included in the results, regardless of whether they have matching or not. and the on keyword specify the join condition. It states that the person ID column in the person table should match the person ID column in the address table. So yeah, that's it, and it's a pretty straightforward and it's pretty easy. I guess all of the query of the SQL problems are pretty easy, and that's my solution. If you like my description, and also if you like my solution, make sure to give me make sure to subscribe to that channel and give me a thumbs up and share my content across multiple with your friends, or like if you know programmers, like share it with them. I will appreciate that. And if you don't like my content, make sure to just give me a comment of what you didn't like specifically, so we can improve it. Or if you have a better approach, I would love you to share this approach with us, so we learn and we make sure that we are all the time delivering better and better content. So that's it for this video, and see you in future problems.